Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Conversations with Philasande. I'll be having more conversations with a lot of people as time goes by. Jama exam, umuntu busy. So yeah, my conversations are some kancane. But in ring night yami, But again, I have ngizokhuluma nje namhlanje nge-PGCE. Like i-PGCE as certificate esebenziswa abantu usenza mawuqeda i-degree ukuze ufuna ukuba uthisha, but-ke usuke uzofundisa ama-modules lawa kuya ngokuthi ubufundani esikoleni, yabo? Kuya ngokuthi ubufundani ebese-ke kuya ngokuthi uzofundisana. Like ubufunda umeche nge-maths ne-computer science, uzofundisa i-maths ne-cat. Yabo, uma ukuthi ubumeche nge-physics ne-maths uzofundisa i-maths ne-physics. Uma ukuthi kanjalo khona nawa language, uma ukuthi ubumeche ngama-languages noma u-development studies uzofundisa i-geography mhlasimbe ne-history noma kanjalo angiwazi awa-language, ngifamile nawa-maths. So kahle kahle into ebengifuna ukukhuluma ngawo ukuthi izizathu zabantu zokuthi benze i-PGCE. Uyabona, ngangihlezi ngiyibuza ukuthi indaba abantu benze i-PGCE because manje thola ukuthi umuntu khona embazi like mina mfethu umuntu engaze ubheke umsebenzi, yabo, engaze ubheke ebese ethi umsebenzi awutholakali kunzima, so that's why yenze i-PGCE. So from lo nyaka ubeqeda ukufunda next year straight to PGCE akabange salokho njani. So I posted this ku TikTok ukuthi just to open a discussion ukuthi why abantu benze i-PGCE. Okay, khona lo bhuti wangixoxa baningi ama-comment but engikhumbulayo lo thena yena isizathu sokuthi senze i-PGCE ukuthi wayevele efuna i-PGCE, wayevele efuna ukuba uthisha, so wafica sekugcwele. Kwase-ke bamxoxela nge-PGCE, kwathiwa ngenza le nto lena ebese maseqedile ebese hamba ukwenza i-PGCE. So for him i-PGCE was the goal because he loved teaching. Into engisaba omunye kuvele wathi ayivala i-PGCE, but uraise i-point-ke naye wathi for those people who do PGCE, teaching was never their intention. Some of them do it so that they can find a job, and fortunately for them, they do. Most of them come from mathematics and whatnot. Vele sona compete umsebenzi ofanayo, but uma ukuthi wena ubucompetela yona ila kunjani i-teaching awufana lo muntu lo befunda benze i-BSc. Okay, so lo muntu uchaza ukuthi la abantu abakuthanda ukufundisa, abanye babo babengakuthanda ukufundisa, bafundisa ngoba baphoqwa isimo. So as a result, uma efika esikoleni anganalo low passion leyo efana nalabo abavele bekufuna ukufundisa from a very young age, noma evele efuna ukufundisa engena esikoleni. Alright, so elinye point lelo lona kuyachaza ukuthi omunye uyachaza la ukuthi no, abanye bethu hayi ngoba nakho sokuthi asuqeda unyaka, sokuthi nje vele siyabona ukuthi angifuni ukuze ngibe kwi-position lawo ukuthi ngingamnayo i-funding wathi ngisabheka unyaka sengihlele ekhaya. Why not ukuthi ngibuyele esikoleni ngihambe ngokwenza i-PGCE bengifande ngithola ufunza noma angazi noma nesifasi siyaqhubeka nofund noma ngithola i-funding mase ngiqeda ngihambe ukubheka umsebenzi, wathi ngibheka umsebenzi mase ngithola umsebenzi zobe sengubheka kwalento qualification engiyifunayo. Wachaza kanjalo. I find it risky ukuthi wenze kanjalo because most of the time you get busy. Bayasebenza othisha, but I'm not judging anyone who takes that route ukuthi enze i-PGCE. I'm just opening a discussion ukuthi ngizwe nabantu lana ku-comment section ukuthi bona what do they think about the PGCE as a whole, and how do they think about if you ever had experience noma wazana nomuntu oyenza i-PGCE owayenza i-PGCE but akuthanda ukufundisa as a result uyihudu kuye emsebenzini because bakhala abantu ukusebenza endaweni ongayithandi for me kuyingozanyana, yabo, ku-stressful futhi. But-ke yeah, ngiyafisa ukuyazi loo nto but umuntu ofikela efunela ukwazi ukuthi yini i-PGCE. Ngicabanga ukuthi i-PGCE ngiyichazile eminithini yokuqala, yabo, because yeah kuyahlukana ngey'kole ukuthi ukwazi ukumeja ngani kanjani. Ezinye ziyanqamela ukuthi umeje ngenye into, ezinye ziyavuma, but nje isitifiketi osenzayo sona uma ufuna ukwenza i-course thizeni, uma ufuna ukufundisa kade wenza i-course thizeni, siyabasiza ngempela kabanye abantu behambe. Nomngane wami nje wayenza i-hydrology ne-applied mathematics, wenzenzela i-PGCE, fundisa i-maths fundisa i-maths, fundisa i-maths, angazi wayefuna umeje nge-maths nani, but ufundisa i-maths but hayi i-physics, umeje nge-maths nje, uthisha we-maths ne-geography, i-maths ne-geography. So lo muntu-ke njengamanje nomsebenzi uyosebenza eGoli but ubekade ehlala unyaka wonke before I registered because saqeda thina ngo-2020 2021 ngohlala wonke engawuthola umsebenzi angazi-ke i-consistency yoku-apply kwakhe ayikanjani but wahlala unyaka wonke engawutholi wabuya wazokwenza i-PGCE but masenzile i-PGCE he had to choose between i-PGCE ne-honors so wakhetha i-PGCE wathi mase yenzile wayiqeda wabheka umsebenzi wahamba eGoli wabheka umsebenzi njengamanje wasebenza eGoli uthisha we-maths so abanye abantu yabasebenzela thina singayibonga ukuthini but abanye abantu yabasebenzela so ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi wena have you ever had i-situation ekanjalo yokuthi ubhekane noma wenze udinge ukuthi wenze i-PGCE udiverge from into oyenza noma wawahlala because abantu bahlala manje mawuthola umsebenzi like umuntu ehlala khona sisters athi ngibona TikTok like 10 years uma echaza ukuthi every Wednesday uya-apply uyama post 10 years akasebenzi uyabo so it's very difficult ukuthi umuntu kuleso space there so ukuthi because waba fortunate enough wena usujaji omunye umuntu usuthi akwazi ukufundisa nani so into ekanjalo bafowethu yeah but bengivule nje bengizokhuluma kahle nge-PGCE lana ngoba ngize lana nje PGCE cabanga ukuthi ngidrezile okwanele mawufuna ukuthi ngiyanyanya ulike njalo subscribe lento enokuthi ngivele ngibuka ama video la ningasubscribe ayikho kahle ngiphasisa kodwa phela ukubuka ama video into right nokubuka ama video into right but ke like and subscribe. And yeah, if you ever want to talk about something, leave a comment. I'll do some research on it. Then maybe get a specialist. I normally do that on TikTok, get specialists to talk about something. Yeah, if you ever want some knowledge on some specific thing, yeah, you have seen most of my videos. They are mostly in the educational sector because that's my niche. My conversations are always there. The people I interview balapo. So yeah, if you ever want to talk about something, leave it in the comment section. I'll talk about it. Yeah, I'll express my views, give you my points. Yonke lo nyaka leyo uyabona ngithole nolwazi kubantu because I communicate nabantu bengichazela izinto. Yeah, see you on the next one. Over and out.